everyone, welcome back to our channel again. So today I'm in central London and I'm here to try something which is blowing up the social medias nowadays. Any guesses? It's Alia Bhatt's favorite dessert in London. Yes, so I'm here to try the viral milk cake at Leto Cafe. If you guys didn't know, the Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt have mentioned about this milk cake in one of her interviews. So naturally I have to come here and check it out. How is it gonna be? There was a big array of cakes as we entered Leto. These cakes were also visible from outside, as almost every passerby stands there looking at the cakes, bringing out the younger version of them. We were helped with the seat quite quickly as we entered. Leto Cafe is famous for his luxurious desserts and cake, but we are here for only one reason, that is a milk cake, and I really like the ambience here, very posh. So let's try if the milk cake is posh as the ambience.
12 seconds later.
And this right here is what everybody has been talking about. I have heard and seen pictures of this cake all over the Instagram and other social medias. So let's see if it's worth the hype. Okay, first off, it's super light, way lighter than it looks. The sponge is soft and the milk gives it this amazing creaminess without making it too sweet. So I'm gonna take the slice of this famous milk cake. Let's see how it tastes. It's really nice. I have ordered a saffron one. I don't have it. It's really nice. Okay, so final thoughts on the Leto milk cake. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. The texture, the flavors, the presentation, everything was spot on. If you're in London, you need to come here and try this out. So the cake I had, the milk cake, it's lovely. So it is rich, creamy, spongy, not soggy at all, which I liked it. And because I had a saffron milk cake, so the flavor, because they did give me a good amount of saffron on top of it, so it was really nice. I loved it. Those who are looking for a good milk cake should definitely try Leto. That's it for today, but wait, we are on Instagram as well, so please support us by following over there, and please do comment below if you liked the video today and let us know where should we go next. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe. Till then, bye. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed coming along with me to try this viral treat, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more London food adventures.